Your Videos page in YouTube Studio shows all of your videos and live streams. You'll see their visibility, whether a video is public, private, or unlisted, monetization status if you're in the YouTube Partner Program, any restrictions that might have been placed on a video, like copyright claims, age restrictions, or takedowns, the date they were uploaded or published, and the video's views, comments, and likes versus dislikes. Here, you can search for a specific video or stream. You can also filter by title, description, views, visibility, or copyright claims. In YouTube Studio, there are a few different ways you can make edits to a video. If you hover over a video, you'll see 4 clickable icons. These will allow you to edit video details, access video level analytics, review video comments, and more. Clicking the checkbox next to a specific video also allows you to edit your video's title, description, visibility, audience setting, and more. You can also add it to a playlist with this option, or delete it. Remember, you can't undelete videos, so take extra caution when deciding to delete a video. If you want to edit your videos in bulk, you can do so by selecting multiple or all of your videos at once, and then click Edit. You can also edit your video by clicking into your thumbnail from the Videos page. This will lead you to the Video Details page, where you can edit your title, description, thumbnail, audience setting, and visibility. Here you can also add your video to a playlist, or add cards or end screens to it. On the left-hand side, you'll also see a few other options for analyzing and editing your video. You can go over video performance data via YouTube Analytics, trim footage, add end screens, cards, mid-rolls, and more with Editor, review, filter, moderate, and reply to comments, check video subtitles, and analyze your video's monetization status and ad enablement settings. Click the back arrow to head back to the video list. Check out other videos in our YouTube Studio series here.